Everest's allure can quickly turn into a nightmare, especially when a blizzard strikes. This week, climbers faced the unthinkable. A sudden blizzard swept across the Himalayas. Visibility dropped to near zero. Strong winds whipped through the mountains, creating treacherous conditions. As temperatures plummeted, panic set in among the climbers. Rescue teams sprang into action. They coordinated emergency evacuations. Helicopters braved the storm to save stranded climbers. The mountain, once a symbol of adventure, became a battleground for survival. In moments like these, preparation is key. Climbers are reminded of the Everest's unpredictable nature. This is not just a climb, it's a test of endurance and resilience. Stay safe, stay informed, and respect the mountain. For more Everest updates, don't forget to subscribe. Your adventure could depend on it.